it's Alyssa with WDW Bound, and we are coming in today. This is my husband, and we are going to do another Disney at home kind of replica recipe. When we went to Disney back in March during Flower and Garden, we had this wonderful orange milkshake that we're gonna try to recreate today because we're really missing Disney, and it was one of our favorite things that we got at Flower and Garden. This recipe is gonna be super simple, so hopefully, I mean, you can't go wrong. So we'll see how it goes, and since it was my husband's favorite thing, he's gonna be our judge of whether or not it tastes like the real thing. So let's get started. All right, so this recipe, basically what I'm doing is I'm just combining orange juice and ice cream. My theory is that it's gonna taste just like an orange-sicle, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just adding a couple scoops of vanilla ice cream to the blender. We'll start with 3. I'm not really measuring. I'm just gonna kind of wing it and see what happens. We'll start with a couple. And this is just regular old vanilla bean ice cream. Nothing special. Alright, so we did like 4 or 5 with my little cookie scoop, and now I'm going to add orange juice. See how that goes. Start with a little bit. Check it for consistency. Grab a spoon. I think we need more ice cream. Oh, that is so good. Holy crap. All right, I'm gonna add some more ice cream because this is gonna be really good. One more scoop. There we go. Some more orange juice. And like I said, I'm not measuring. We're just gonna see. Better to add a little bit of liquid at a time and add more if you need it, rather than adding too much. Oh, I did it backwards. I put the lid on backwards.
Still works.
Still works. Oh yeah. This is looking pretty great. Look at that. Oh man. That's so good. Okay. So now, I'm gonna take the blade. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Blades out. That here. Now we got a little orange bird. Put him. This might make a mess. I wonder. Good consistency for milkshake. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so good. So good. Alright. There we have it. Our little orange bird sipper. Alright. What's the verdict, Sean?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
So, how does it taste as far as comparing that to what you had at Flower and Garden Festival.
That's pretty on point. It's been about a month since we had it, but
yeah, it tastes like an orange-sicle, like the popsicle that you got like when you were young, and it was the vanilla ice cream on the middle and coated with the orange.
This is now a new weekly thing.
I had a feeling that it would be pretty darn good. I've done it with lemonade before, and it's really good. That's a Chick-fil-A recipe. But
yeah, I'm not sure.
Well, I think we have our verdict. It's pretty great.
That is good.
Yeah. A good substitute when you can't get to Disney, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, there you go. That was just vanilla ice cream and orange juice. So if you like our video, if you want to try it out for yourself, we encourage it, especially if you're like us and really missing Disney and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to be posting more of these videos. We're doing a lot of Disney at home. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.